In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a Monopoly Go reward code in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the game, these codes can be a great way to enhance your gameplay experience with some extra rewards. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the official Monopoly Go website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or click on a trusted link to navigate there. Once you're on the Monopoly Go homepage, you'll see several options to log in or explore the site. For convenience, let's use the option to sign in with Facebook. Click on the Sign In with Facebook button. It's a quick way to access your account and will streamline the entire process for grabbing those reward codes. If prompted, enter your Facebook credentials. Ensure you've authorized the necessary permissions for Monopoly Go to connect with your Facebook account. This step is essential to seamlessly enjoy the features of the game. Once logged in, navigate to the Monopoly Go home section. This is typically your dashboard within the game where you interact with different elements and keep track of your progress. It's like your central hub for all Monopoly Go activities. Now, let's move on to the more exciting part. Look for the section on the homepage labeled Reward Codes. This is where the magic happens. The reward codes are often time-limited opportunities to earn in-game benefits and can make a significant difference in your gameplay. Clicking on the Reward Codes section will lead you to a new page dedicated to these special codes. Here you'll find the list of available reward codes. To claim your rewards, click on the Claim Your Reward button next to any available codes. This is your ticket to unlocking additional in-game bonuses, whether they're extra cash, tokens, or other surprises designed to boost your Monopoly Go experience. After claiming, ensure you follow any additional instructions provided. This might include entering the actual code during gameplay, or checking your in-game inventory for the newly added resources. By following these simple steps, you're now equipped with the knowledge to find and claim Monopoly Go reward codes with ease. Remember, these codes are updated regularly, so it's a good idea to check back often to ensure you don't miss out on any opportunities for extra rewards. Enjoy your enhanced Monopoly Go adventures and make the most of these fun and rewarding codes. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!